Topaz Labs is a suite of AI power tools mainly used for upscaling, enhancing, and restoring videos and images. In this video, we'll quickly break down what Topaz Labs does, its pros and cons, and most importantly, how to use it step by step without confusion. What is Topaz Labs? Topaz Labs is not a single tool. It is a collection of AI apps, mainly Topaz Video AI for enhancing and upscaling videos, Topaz Photo AI for improving and sharpening images, Gigapixel AI for extreme image upscaling, now partly integrated into Photo AI. The main idea is simple. It uses artificial intelligence to take low quality or blurry content and turn it into higher resolution, cleaner, and sharper results. It's popular among content creators, editors, YouTubers, photographers restoring old media, etc. Key features. Here's what makes Topaz Labs stand out. Number one, AI video upscaling. You can convert 720p or 1080p videos into 4K or even 8K with improved clarity. Number two, frame interpolation. It can increase its frame rate from 24 FPS to 60 FPS or higher, making footage look smoother. Noise reduction. Remove grain from low light or old videos and images. Number four, sharpening and face recovery. It detects faces and improves detail without making it look artificial. Image upscaling, photo AI, turns small or low resolution image into large high quality versions while preserving detail. Pros and cons. Now let's start with the pros. Very high quality AI enhancement, easy to use interface, great for restoring old footage, works on both video and images. Professional level output. Cons. Requires a powerful PC or Mac, GPU heavy. Processing can be slow. Paid software, no full free version, can be overwhelming for beginners at first. How to use Topaz Labs. Let's focus on Topaz Video AI since it is the most used. Step 1, you have to import your video. Open Topaz Video AI and drag your video into the timeline. The software will automatically analyze it. Step 2, choose AI model. You'll see different models like Proteus, most common balanced enhancement, Iris, good for faces and old footage, Gaia, best for upscaling clean footage. If you are unsure, start with Proteus Auto. Step 3, set output resolution. Choose your target 1080p to 4K, 720p to 4K, or even higher if needed. And be careful, high resolution equal longer processing time. Adjust settings. This is step 4. You can fine tune sharpening, noise reduction, de-blurring, but beginners should stick to default AI settings. Number 5. Preview. Always use the preview button. It shows a short processed clip so you can check quality before exporting. Step 6. Export. Choose format MP4, codec, H.264 or H.265, destination folder, then click export and wait. Depending on your PC, this can take from minutes to hours. When should you use it? Topaz Labs is best used when you have low quality footage and you want to upscale it, if you are restoring old videos or photos, and if you need smoother or cleaner content for professional work. It is not ideal for quick edits, low end PCs, and real time editing. Conclusion. Topaz Labs is one of the most powerful AI enhancement tools available today, especially for video quality improvement. If you are serious about upgrading old or low resolution content, it's definitely worth trying. And that is it for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like and subscribe and share this video to your friend. Leave us a good comment down below, and thank you for watching and see you in a new review.